Hello, welcome to Neft. Today let's make paneer cheese pizza. Take one big plate, grease oil. Now place the pizza base. Add some pizza sauce and spread it. Add some red chili sauce and spread it. Now add all veggies, whatever you have. Now add some paneer pieces. Add some chili flakes. Add some mixed herbs. Add some oregano. Add some cheese on top of it. Now preheat the thick pan for 5 minutes and place the stand. After 5 minutes, place the pizza into the pan. Close the lid and sim the flame for 20 to 25 minutes. Paneer cheese pizza is ready. Enjoy it. Now cut them into pieces. Please do like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.